Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Spotify Music app on your MacBook. Since the Spotify app for Mac isn't available on the App Store, we need to get it from their official website. First, open your web browser and go to spotify.com. Right on the homepage, you can click on the Download menu or the Install App button. The website will automatically detect that you're using macOS. If you're using Safari, just click Allow when prompted to start the download. The download will only take a few seconds because this is just a web installer file. Once it's finished, double-click the file to begin the actual Spotify download process. At this stage, some users might experience very slow download speeds. If that happens, you can try using a VPN or switch to your iPhone's mobile hotspot to improve the connection. If everything goes smoothly, Spotify will install automatically, and the login window will pop up once the installation is complete. You can log in manually using your email and password by clicking the Login button. Or, if you already have Spotify on your phone, just open your phone's QR scanner and scan the code on your MacBook screen. Your phone will open the app. Just tap Pair to confirm. Once you've logged in, Spotify on your MacBook and iPhone will be perfectly synced. You can start playing music on your Mac and pick up right where you left off on your iPhone, or even listen with friends using the Spotify Jam feature. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, and I'll see you in the next video.